Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmaeasynotes. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss an important topic from Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry, limit test for chloride. This topic is frequently asked in university examination, practicals and Viva. By the end of this lecture, you will understand what is limit test for chloride, principle of the test, chemical reaction involved, procedure, interpretation of results, important Viva questions. So let's get started. What is the limit test for chloride? The limit test for chloride is a semi-quantitative test used to detect and control chloride impurities in pharmaceutical substances. The purpose of this test is to ensure that the amount of chloride present in a pharmaceutical substance does not exceed the prescribed limit. If the chloride content is within the acceptable limit, the sample passes the test. Now, principle. The test is based on the reaction between chloride ions and silver nitrate. When chloride ions react with silver nitrate in the presence of nitric acid, a white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. The turbidity produced due to this precipitate is compared with a standard chloride solution. Now, chemical reaction, white precipitate of silver chloride. Remember this reaction because it is very important for exam and Viva questions. Then reagents required. The following reagents are used: silver nitrate solution, dilute nitric acid, standard chloride solution, distilled water and Nessler cylinder. Now come to the procedure. Step 1, preparation of test solution. Take the given pharmaceutical substances and dissolve it in distilled water. Add dilute nitric acid, then add silver nitrate solution. Allow the solution to stand for a few minutes. Now step 2, preparation of standard solution. Take the prescribed amount of standard chloride solution, add dilute nitric acid, add silver nitrate solution, allow it to stand under the same condition. Step 3, comparison. Now compare the turbidity of the test solution with the turbidity of the standard solution using Nessler cylinder against a dark background. Interpretation of results. Pass condition. If the turbidity of the test solution is less than or equal to that of the standard solution, the sample passes the test. Fail condition. If the turbidity of the test solution is greater than that of the standard solution, the sample fails the test. Why is nitric acid used? Nitric acid provides the required acidic medium and prevents interference from other ions that may affect the accuracy of the test. This is a commonly asked Viva question. Importance of the limit test for chloride. Ensure the purity of pharmaceutical substances, helps maintain quality control standards, detects excessive chloride contamination, ensures compliance with pharmacopoeial requirements, improves patient safety. Now, Viva question. Question 1, what is the purpose of the limit test for chloride? Then, which reagent is used to detect chloride ions? What white precipitate is formed during the test? Why is nitric acid used in the test? On what basis is the result interpretation? Now, quick revision. Chloride ions reacts with silver nitrate. White precipitate of silver chloride is formed. Turbidity is compared with a standard solution. Less or equal turbidity pass, greater turbidity result fail. Now conclusion. So friends, today we learned about the limit test for chloride, its principle, reaction, procedure, interpretation and important Viva questions. I hope this lecture helped you understand the topic clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pharmaeasynotes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.